Hey guys, hello everyone, I'm back here. Hello guys, Mike. Hello everyone. All right guys, welcome back. What a day guys, what a day. I can't believe we actually closed at $26,000. What? Right in that $26,000 guys. What an incredible market. Who would have ever thought we're gonna get to $26,000, man? Yeah, Secret Man, I remember that. You called it. You called it, brother. What a crazy day. What a crazy day, guys. That's really all I can say. Incredible. Hello, everyone. Fiverr's Flight Skill, Justin right in the house, man. What up? J Cherish Fish. How are you guys doing today? It's a crazy morning. That's all I can say. Wow. Team Phony. Team Mopey. How do I pronounce that? Team Mopey. Pinotti. Anyways. You just won 20-30 points. Do not give a give a shot. What happens after that? There's no confirmation for the short, but look for the short anyways. Oh, yeah. Gringo El Diablo in the house. Who is Sicker Man? What is your nickname? A real nickname here. Man, the YouTube changed all the names, right? The usernames, so it's kind of confusing. I wonder who is who now. Getting confused. Vicky Dip, what is up, man? Dan Remes. Oh yeah. So the 20% pullback, it does not break $20,000. Wild day, just should have went long all day. I know, should have went long, but you know what? I did not try to show this market this today. Right? Incredible how when you're on the right side of the trade, I mean right side on the right trend, no matter how badly you're stuck in that trade, eventually you'll be back in the green. You know what I mean? And that's just incredible. And so your trade become really easy if you're on the right trend, right? If you're on the right side, if you will, right? Today was a classic example of a trending day to the upside, of course. If you were trying to short this market as we were getting a bounce, then of course that would have been a bad ending. Luckily, I was trying to go long on a pullbacks. My entries would have not been as great because I was using my phone to trade today. But overall, it kept pulling back and got a bounce. So my entries, whether my entries were a little early, a little late, it did not really matter so much because, you know, it's because you got a bounce, right? Every time you get a bounce, I'm back in the green. So now it's a pretty good way to end the day for me today. Anyways, guys, let's think about what we are about to do next, or what sort of what can we really expect this market to do now. All right, guys. All right, so we already up here. Let's just take a look. I wonder what the gold is gonna do. Gold looks pretty interesting, guys. Gold kept getting rejection of the EMAs, right? We've been talking about this for the last few days now, that the gold GLD, the better way to play would be short the bounce. Of course, I'd not really capitalized on any of this move, to be honest, but that's what I've been calling up for the last few days. And right at the top, and I said, okay, well, this could be the double top here, and we could see the market, the gold, to kind of flush down, and the bounce could be the shorting opportunity in the GLD, the gold. And I think that's exactly what we've got in the gold now. Anyways, back into NQ. That's an incredible bounce that we had. We are at $26,000 now, but we also had that big wick here, and that's a bearish wick right at the top here, 26,026. So I kind of feel like, you know, we could try to make a little attempt to get a bounce, but I think ultimately we try to pull back a little bit. I don't think it's going to be crazy pullback, because the market is still trending to the upside, right? So there's really no point in trying to short this market, guys, overall, right? I would still prefer to long on a pullback. I think that's what I'm going to try and do today. But because the market's going to be a lot more choppier today coming into the Asia Globex, so I could try to scalp the short and try to scalp long as well at the same time. We'll see how it goes. Zombie rally, incredible, guys. This market is an extreme at denial. Everything is just being bought right at the low. Incredible, guys. Thank you guys for being here. Don't forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys are enjoying the stream. We're 7 minutes away for the Globex to start. Let's have another fun Asia market, guys. I hope all of you had a great morning. If you had a bad morning, do not be too disappointed. It wasn't an easy day, right? It wasn't an easy day. Alessandro, what up? Cherry fish sell off overnight. It's gonna be interesting, guys. We got a lot of catalysts now. Okay, so Monday was Monday. I kind of feel like was a small grind to the upside. Nothing really there. There was no reason for this market to give up its profits, right? So I think the market's gonna look for reasons to take profits. Okay. We're gonna have to wait and see. Tomorrow, Tuesday, nothing really there. But then I think on Wednesday we have FOMC, and we got a lot of big tech earnings coming out at the same time as well. So I think FOMC and big tech earnings on Wednesday is gonna definitely be a catalyst to move this market. Maybe it could be a good time. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Nobody knows. We'll find out. I'm kind of thinking maybe could be a little bit of a sell the news kind of thing, but who knows what this market is going to do, right? We're at $26,000, guys. Never expected $26,000, of course. Anyways, we are here back again, and what an incredible resilience this market has shown throughout this entire process. And incredible, guys, incredible. All right, I'm gonna try and sell the pop unless we are really seeing a strong trending day as well. Okay, all right, I'm gonna trade the micros to start the day, with 2 micros, of course, to start, and then I'll kind of scale into a trade. Okay, that's what I'm gonna try and do. All right, Michael Loney, Tiger, open 2 combines with your strategy with scaling after you explained it last night. Oh my god. Michael, man, it's not gonna always work that way, okay? Please. But anyways, thanks, brother. All right, so here we are, guys. We got 4 more minutes for Globex, and I'm stoked to start the day here. I'm gonna look for a little maybe I would prefer a gap to the upside and then we fade down. Okay, when we get a pullback, then I'm going to try and go long. That's the idea. Unless we get a significant aggressive sell-off, okay, taking place. If we don't do that, then I'm just going to be short the pop and long the pullback. Okay, at support levels, of course, support and resistance levels. Anyways, guys, back in trading again, guys. Thank you so much for being here once again. Oh, do. All right, so here I am. I'm gonna start today with funding ticks. All right, we're gonna start today with funding ticks. I'm gonna do the eval. All right, we'll do the funding ticks eval account and see how it goes. All right, thank you everybody once again for being here today. Let's smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream. Thank you, Fiber Supply Skull. How was your day? Javez, what is going on, man? All right, guys, good luck. Time to make some fun trades here. Hey, guys, today is not about. I'm not gonna look for some big trades, okay? Right, we're at $26,000, and we got a big day, which is gonna be Wednesday, which is one day away. So I'm not gonna try and like make a home run trades. Today and tomorrow is not the kind of a days that you want to make a home run trades. I'm gonna take it slow. I'm gonna be careful. I'm gonna manage my risk. I'm gonna try and protect my accounts as much as I can, and then go from there. Right? Imagine I did not trade my XFA today, even though I had that account up and running. I did not trade. Wow, Stock Tiger showing real discipline right now. All right, Cookie 64, Spy Space, what is up? Kelly Kaufman, my day was good. I think my day was good. I mean, my trades were nothing really too significantly crazy. You know, it's all base hits, you know. Where's that again? I did actually end up. Oh, by the way, I forgot to do something here. Guys, Legend has 90% off. I don't know if you guys are aware of that. I completely forgot about that, guys. Legend. Is anybody trading Legend? Because I was supposed to load in some accounts with them, and I completely forgot to do that. Does anybody trade Legend? Oh, hold on one second, guys. I completely forgot. They're what now again?
The market is
wow, look at this,
open.
guys. Insanity, guys. We are pulling back here a little bit. Oh, there we go. Did I should place my order or no? I thought I did. Oh, there we go. Guys, we're getting a little pullback here. To start the day, pulling back here, so.
Order
filled.
Oh dear.
Order submitted.
Looks like I kind of chased that. Guys. That's a big one. Oh dear. Right at the open, guys. I kind of chased it. It was. Hold on, guys. All right. So we hitting that EMA here, 990.
Order submitted. Order
filled.
All right, let's see, guys.
Order submitted.
I'd like to take this off pretty quickly here on a bounce back up again.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted.
So I'm definitely looking for a little bit of a bounce back, and I'd like to downsize my contract. Not being 10, that's actually quite a lot.
Order
filled.
Order
Order
failed.
There you go,
Failed.
guys. I'm down to 6 now, which is great. This is exactly what I was looking for now. All right, and I'm just gonna leave this trade as is for now. We'll go from there. 6% off the 60% off new activation end of the day in eval, but trailing in the funded. Oh, it's trailing in the funded. The trailing in the funded. Okay. What do you guys think about Legends? Do you guys actually like it? You guys can use the code Tiger on Legend. I'm affiliated with them now, and I was actually gonna end up loading in some accounts, but I wasn't sure which one to go with, and I wanted to know if you guys were already trading that. All right, so I'm down to 6 contracts, which is great.
Order submitted.
Wow, we are getting a rejection here, guys. This pullback could be I don't know. I'm only with 6 contracts, so we're getting a lower high kind of a play here, right? So let's see. Like, I wouldn't be surprised if you get a little bit of a deeper pullback down, I guess. Well, if you get a next level of support, we're actually down below $26,000, and actually quite a lot. All right, so let's just say the next level of support is going to be right up here, right? So this is going to be a big level, guys. I'm on 150 ticks chart. We may break it down. This is going to be a big level now, 989. So we need to hold if we want to get a bounce back again. I'm with 6 micros, so I'm not really, it's not the end of the world for me. But here I am, guys. I'm
Order
gonna
submitted.
exit though. If we
Order
get a
order
deeper
submitted.
pullback down, I'll exit my trade right in this. What is going on here with this chart? Something's going on with this chart, guys. All right. Anyways, so we hit the ceiling there at 26,030, and then got a rejection off that 15 as well, and we have a little bit of a gap to the downside now, right? And we're hitting a lower high for now. Well, let's see, guys. Let's see how this market's gonna react at 985. If we get a bounce back from the 985, the market is still bullish. All right. Funding takes its end of day drawdown. Yep. Near oh yeah, funding takes is definitely good. I think I'm now getting ready for weekly payouts across 5 funding takes accounts, right? So that's like after split, which is 90/10, 890 times 5 accounts, that's $4,400 every week. That's gonna be for 4 weeks. So if you are taking let's say after split, net 890 times what again, across 5 accounts, and if you do it for 4 weeks straight in a row, that's $17,000. Okay, well, we know what to do now. We know the drill, right? The plan for the month of November is pretty obvious, pretty clear. We know exactly what to do now. Just keep in mind, guys. We can, like, including yourself, we can take a lot of payouts just by doing the base hits. Funding ticks is a good example, right? Just having 5 accounts and 5 funding ticks accounts, funded accounts, right? And net take out in 890 every 5 days across 5 accounts. That's like over $17,000 by the end of the month. Incredible. All right, but that doesn't mean that I've given up on the October yet. We still have another. Oh man, we still have another 4 more days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You actually have 5 more days to end the month, and that's a lot of days. And I'm really trying to grind with my Apex accounts to get to a payout. It's been a tough one, I'll tell you. I'll be honest, but I'm trying. Like today, I had all green on my Apex accounts. Shit, too, it's right here, right? And I've got 2 accounts over 54,000. So I'm really trying to see if I can get to max payout on this Apex accounts, and then and see how it goes, man. It's definitely not been an easy journey, I tell you that much. What is up? Here's John in the house, man. Let's get this boot. Yeah, let's go, baby. Boisita, John, 2025. You feel like it's been a long, then a short. Yeah, the problem is we're at all-time high, right? We're at all-time high, and the market's kind of pulling back here, so I don't know. I may have to cut this loose if we end up getting a pullback here back into the 971, and if we can't get a bounce off that level, I think it's say goodbye and never look back. Gregory Lowski, what up, man? Captain Price, Cali Cuff, man. David P 6619, Venkadip, Dale Mantney. Wow, I don't know how to pronounce these names, but Min Max Infinity, what is going on? Pup Boy, Java, Cookie, Jabez, Michael, just right in the house. All right, guys. All right, we are sitting at 987. This market's not doing anything so far, but I thought towards the end of the day, we obviously got a nice, beautiful squeeze back up again. And now we're getting a little bit of a pullback down. I'm only down $120, nothing really too crazy. But I wonder if this is gonna be a shorting opportunity, though. B Adams, what up? All right, so far we're kind of pulling back here. Nothing really too crazy. I've got 6 micros. I'm gonna potentially add on a pullback down, back into the 980s. Okay, and then if we can't hold that level, I think I'll just probably exit my trade.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Okay, so here I am. Yeah, we could see. Yeah. We could see this in pull back maybe to the 980s. And then if we can't hold that, then I think we continue pulling back all the way down into the 960s. May get a bounce before we get a pullback, so. Alright guys, let's have some fun here today. I'm starting the day trading my eval account. We'll try to see if we can pass this today. Alright, it's a slow start. So the market is up, actually overall up before the after hour, so it's up like 25 points. So we kind of kissed that 985 level. Let's see if we get a bounce back up again. All right, guys. So far, it's a slow start. Slow start as expected. We kind of talked about how we may end up just being not even a chop today during the Asian market. I guess we're kind of getting that right here. It's kind of funny. DG Fun App, what is going on, man? John 2025, everybody. Great to see y'all back again. You posted on your payout tab. Here's Johnny. Did you get a payout? Really? Nice, man. Nice, guys. Let's take a look at our good friend. Find out what is up with his payouts. Let's take a look, everybody. Wow, look at this, man. Yeah, Legends. You got Legends account. Pretty good, man. Good stuff. How much did it cost you for this? Funded account's gone. Bye-bye. Oh, dear. What a shame. Yeah. Michael the Hustler, man. I'm sorry to hear that, brother. I did this. This is my trade today. I did not have any red today, which is great. But overall, I mean, the market was definitely very choppy, difficult to trade. But I did end up trading, and I had no reds, luckily. And I also had no red on my Rhythmic accounts as well. So not bad. I'll take it. You know, it's somebody asked me if you were trading on your phone. I said I don't know if I mentioned that, but I think 60% of the trades were done on the phone, and then the 40% were actually done using my tablet and my my office laptop, because you could use the browser, right? So that's what I've done, and that's what we had. Let's take a look at the other stuff here. Oh yeah, let me just let everybody know that I'm actually live. Oh, by the way, guys, we got a giveaway to do today. We got some giveaways to do today. Yeah, not a bad day after all. Oh my God, Johnny, man, Johnny, $1,200 right there in the house, man. Johnny, great job, man. $1,200, not small. It's not easy. You have to get above the buffer. You know how difficult that is, right? And Johnny has done it. Excellent, man. Johnny's. If I do recall, Johnny was struggling, I think, if I'm not wrong, to get a payouts, and now he's getting payouts every single month. Congrats, Johnny, man. Good stuff. Congrats, man. What a hard work. Well deserved. Good stuff. Good stuff. You did it, Joe. Wow, Bowser as well. Look at this, man. 2468. Do the math. It's $8,000. All approved. That's a pretty quick one with no review. Straight approved. And all Apex, guys. All Apex. Apex does pay. Oh, by the way. So I hit $600 last night, and I have another $600 today. Woo, baby! Another payout, guys, today. Daily payouts. Daily payouts while again, I want to make sure I make it clear, while we are waiting to request a huge payout with Apex, I am not missing a daily payouts, guys. Daily payouts is there. It's incoming, guys, tonight. Maybe we do that live in the stream. $600 every day, guys. You know, those are not small amounts if you do the math, guys. $600 every day. If you just think about it, I was $800 a few days ago. Let's take a look at it again. You know, it's like, you know, we had $600 here, and then we had $845 here, and then it kept coming. Where's that again? Holy smokes, man. We had a lot of traders banking. 445 as well. So it was every day. It started to roll, which is great. So it's 4th day in a row. We got daily payout. Daily payout, 4th day in a row. Fantastic. Fantastic. Does Top Step truly pay? Oh yeah, absolutely. What are you talking about? Top Step absolutely pays you day and night. If Top Step doesn't pay, man, I don't know, man. Top Step is one of the better ones, right? It's interesting how we still hear traders asking if Top Step pays, because I like it. Sometimes it surprises me, right? Because it's such a huge company. It's one of the biggest and one of the one of the earliest prop firm, right? One of the few props we had a few years ago, and it's one of the biggest ones right now. And yet we still have questions about their payouts. All right, guys, we are going to do our giveaway today. It's going to be an account giveaway, and the instruction is on our Discord now. So you guys can go ahead and post your numbers between 1 to 150, and do not forget to smack the like, guys. And I've shared the Discord link just in case you guys are not aware. I'm sharing the Discord link just in case you guys are not aware. Okay? So it's right here on the YouTube chat. I've shared my Discord link. Go ahead and use that link to post your beautiful magic number between 1 to 150, right? That's going to give you a chance to participate on our giveaway. And good luck, everybody. Good luck. All right. So here we are, guys. We are getting a nice little bounce back up again, which is great. I'm back to break even. Nice, everybody. Nice. I like this bounce, guys.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I'm oh, maybe I'm in, well, no, I think that's fine. All right, here I am, guys. I've added to my long position.
Order canceled.
Which may have been a little mistake. I don't know. We'll find out, guys, if that's a mistake. Because right at the pivot here, right? So that's what my little concern. We are right at the pivot here, so I'm like, oh well, maybe I'm in trouble. I don't know. Maybe it would have been better if I kind of waited for a bounce back up again. Oh well, it is what it is. Hopefully there's no pullback here. No turning back. Straight to the moon. Let's go. Thank you guys once again for all of you for being here today. We'll see, guys. I may end up doing 2 giveaways today. We'll see. One maybe in between the streaming, and one more right before we end the stream. Excuse me, guys. So stay tuned, guys. Let's have some fun here today. So how did everybody do today, guys? Did all of you have fun? Did everybody be in green today? I hope none of you actually ended up losing a funded account today. Today was a weird day, right? It was really slow right at the start, right? And it almost kind of felt like better off not trade anymore. And then a little later towards the power hour, the market started to squeeze, right? So it's like, you know, maybe you could have patiently waited all day and then capitalize on that final move to the upside towards the end of the day. I don't know. Mixed bag for Justin Wright. Taking base hits on micros, Captain Price. That's good. Oh yeah, 5 bar splice gold green. 44 the Punisher, Apex only for now. You did not have fun, Sears Pony. Sears Pony, man, what is going on? Long time no see. How are things with you, man? Are you trading well? Are you taking payouts, brother? Captain Price, trading mostly gold was easier. Yeah, the goal was just, I don't know, man. The goal was, I don't know what to tell you guys about the gold. Incredible. Anyways, forget about gold for now. Artsy, yes, 18,000 on gold, but got gray hair from it. Oh, hey man, that pays for your gray hair. I think 18,000 bucks, right? I wouldn't mind $18,000 and get a gray hair. I would be okay with that. Absolutely. How much do you need in order to get $2,000 Apex payout? You need to be at 54,200. You have to be at 54,200 to request the full $2,000 payout, and that's assuming that you have followed their rules. Because your country is restricted with Apex. I don't know. Not many countries are restricted with Apex. I wonder where you live. No account losses, but definitely in red. Oh yeah, hey, hey man, being able to hold on to your accounts and be in red, I'll take that any day. Like, you always have another chance to kind of bring your account back in good standing, but at least you have the account, right? If you don't have an account and you're red and you lost your account, there's no way to turn it back. Today was an easy peasy. Here's Johnny, man. Look at you, man. Look at you taking payouts. The killer himself, the Johnny. Milton Andreas, 50K account. You need 54,100. I think you need $54,200, right? Because you got to be over the 52,100 is the buffer, right? So you need to have $54,200. $1,800. Oh man. Okay. Well, I don't know if that's gonna justify the gray hair. RTS. I don't know. I wouldn't sacrifice my gray hair for $1,800. Yeah. I'm sorry, man. I've got yeah. A little bit of a change. Stop Hunter, what up, man? Tiger, have you ever traded the 1 second chart? Nah, you know, I did not trade the 1 second chart, and I'm absolutely not interested at all. 100%. And I would never ever want to get to 1 second chart ever. Faisal, NQ today did not pull back more than 10 points. Absolutely, man. No absolute pullback at all. Oh, 44 Punisher, you're in Morocco. What a beautiful country, man. Mediterranean. A beautiful Morocco. Beautiful people. I don't know what to tell you, 44 Punisher. Artesian, it was crazy. Yeah, it was definitely crazy, man. Austin Nguyen, what up, man? How old are you? Are you a boomer? I'm only 17. Do I look younger? What do you think? Boy Pablo, oh yeah, baby. Maybe secretly loves the 1 second chart. Maybe, who knows? No man get here. Lost your Pro Plus account in the chop today. Yeah, man. If you're trying to scalp in and out, like up, down, shorting, longing all day, it's definitely gonna be a tough day. Yeah, today I found a way to kind of scale back, take a look at this market, you know, not get into some silly trades, did not rush, and I went for base hits. I did not get aggressive with my contract size as well. I kind of feel like I was very disciplined today. I'll be very honest. I was I was finding better entries, and I was also finding the right combination of contract size as well. So I think I'm I think I kind of feel like I've got what it takes to do better between now through the rest of the month and maybe into November as well. So we'll see how it goes. Sending hi from Brazil. Hey man, Ricardo, ¿cómo estás, brother? Bueno, no pasa nada. It's all good in Brazil. How's it going? There's definitely a good reason why Apex is restricting Morocco. I don't know what to tell you, brother. Maybe you can move. It doesn't really take you a long time to move to Spain, right? Probably about like a couple hours drive. Or can you actually drive to Spain? Or maybe not. I thought there was a little bridge or something like that. I could be wrong. Spending high. Past one account. Alright guys, anyways, Monica in the house, man. Today was tough market for trading drawdown accounts. Yeah, I mean today was definitely a tough day, but I nailed on my my pro account for $600 in profits, right? So I'm gonna be. So my real goal today was to kind of like try to play base hits, go for base hits, nothing really too crazy, but at the same time, see if I can actually do a little bit of a daily payouts, right? And not looking for something huge, but let's try. Even if it's gonna be like a couple $100, I'm okay with that. Let's try to get some daily payouts, you know. And that's exactly what happened today. I was asking for a couple $100, and that couple $100 actually ended up turning out to be $600. So I'm glad, I'm happy, and that actually ended up happening. So right. So while we try to build other accounts, let's try to get some payouts, even if it's a couple $100, right? And that's actually, if those things adds up, I've already got over $3,000 just on a daily payout in the last few days. Even if it's like $600, $800, it's pretty big. So lots of excitements. I wonder what tomorrow's gonna look like though. Tomorrow, Tuesday, it's nothing really too crazy. I don't know. All right, so far it's kind of slow, right? Really slow. We'll see. We are right at the pivot here. Let's kill it, guys. Let's kill it. Let's kill this market. Let's slay this market. Let's get every little dime we can from this market, guys, even if it's an Asia market. Well, it's not even Asia, technically. It's Globex. It was choppy. Oh shoot, I'm kind of late. No pasa nada, Ricardo Peso. Alright guys, we're getting a little pullback here. I'm gonna try and buy the dip, so I'm not really too concerned about a pullback unless it's a pretty serious pullback. When you get above $52,000 in take profit trader, how much can you take out? When you get to $52,000, you cannot take anything out. But if you get anything beyond $52,000, anything beyond 52 is what you get. So if you make, let's say, $3,000, then you could take $1,000 out and keep the $2,000 as a buffer. Symphony, no payouts on Apex funded due to 30% consistency rule. Yeah, I've got the same problem, Symphony. Like all my Apex accounts are kind of similar in that way. So I've been trading for longer, right? Most of my Apex accounts are kind of like over 35 days, 40 days of trading on those accounts overall. So not a fun moment with Apex. I got quite a few denials, right, during that process. All right, working on the Take Profit Trader Pro accounts over 10,000. Oh yeah, let's go. Symphony, good luck, man. I'll cheer for you. Justin Wright, Tiger, notice you say I don't know a lot. I don't know. Tiger, 3 times 250 using your strat, brother. Oh my god, man. Walk away with the profits. Yeah. Thank you, Michael. Hey, man, not you're not gonna have that's not gonna get you all the time. Be careful, guys. If you're in profit, just walk away. It doesn't hurt to do that, I think. Monica, do you expect rate cut on Wednesday? Oh yeah, absolutely. I think they're expecting quarter basis point, 25 basis point, right, on Wednesday. And then on top of that, you got Microsoft, you got Google earning. We got a lot of earning coming out on Wednesday, which is gonna be massive, huge. This could be as good as it gets. I think. I think this could be the moment where it's kind of like CPI. It could be even better than CPI because CPI is one direction to the moon, right? That's what we had a few days ago. But this week on Wednesday, I think we're gonna get huge move up and huge move down. You're gonna have lots of opportunity to trade, you know, on both sides, in my opinion. We'll see how it goes. I'm really looking forward to that Wednesday, guys. I'm gonna come up with a better plan to trade because I absolutely did not capitalize on the CPI at all last week. So I better step up my plate and do a better job in this FOMC. And the earnings, Google, big, huge, massive. Anyways, you doing daily payouts with Take Profit Trader. I'm doing daily payouts with Take Profit Trader. It's right here, Take Profit Trader. $52,000, $600. So it's $600 in profit. I'm gonna take that out today. Let's go, baby. You know, it's so important to try and like get those daily payouts, man. It's really important, and that's why I always try to do that. Right? It's not easy. Don't get me wrong, but I mean, like it's very important to get to a payout mode, right? Because if you stop getting payouts and then you kind of like, oh shoot, I have no payout for 3 weeks now, then you're gonna start to kind of like get the pressure. And that pressure is not good because that pressure is gonna kind of hurt your trading. And that's why I always try to, even if it's like $100, get myself into payout mode. Kelly Kaufman, Tiger, is your feed delayed? I'm not sure if my feed is delayed, to be honest. What do you guys think? My feed is delayed? I think maybe a few seconds, maybe about 5 to 10 seconds, maybe. I don't know, because right now it's let's say it's 7:35 right now. It's 7:35. It's 7:35. Yeah, I think it's a few seconds difference. I don't know if that's too much. Oh, 30 seconds delay, really? And that's, I don't even, is that a YouTube standard or is that just me? I don't know, I'm not sure. Yeah. MRC traits, man, what is going on? Could you explain the Tiger? Explain what again? You just withdraw everything above buffer? Oh yeah, in Take Profit Trader, you can take everything out that's above the buffer. You have any payouts decline from Billinox? First of all, I did not have many payouts from Billinox. Right? I'm one of the traders. I've not really done a great job, but all my payouts that I got from Billinox, I did not get anything declined. you gotta have a good reason why your accounts. Well, in order to get payout denial, you gotta have a good reason. So far, I haven't noticed anybody actually got denied from Billanox. Yeah, so I think it's like, for example, if you hit I don't know, if you're over 30%, a 40% consistency rule on your account, on your funded account with Billanox, and on top of that, if you flip like 4 days, for example, then yeah, you're gonna get denied whether you like it or not, and that's okay. Well, the okay meaning they have the right to do that because you did not follow the rule, but I haven't noticed anybody get denied so far just yet. So just to write, when I stream on YouTube, it's anywhere between 3 to 8 seconds delay. I don't know. Today was annoying by green. Bowser trades. Oh yeah. So except Apex, all firms never deny. Well, you're gonna have firms deny if there's a good reason, but yeah. The market really slow right now, guys. Market really slow. Does that even be possible? Tiger, do you know anything about 3PL? What do you mean 3PL? You mean 3PL logistics, or if it's the logistics, then yeah, of course I do know 3PL, but I don't know. From a trading perspective, I have no idea what the 3PL is. Tiger, from your experience, how do you suggest to scale for newcomers into prop firm? Oh man, it depends what sort of a. I'm not sure what the question is though. Suggest to scale for newcomers into the prop firm. Yeah, that's right. So I wasn't sure what that scaling mean. You mean scaling into a trade? Thank you, scalper. Did you get payout? Really? You survived to get payout? Nice, man. Hey, payout is a payout at the end of the day. If you're getting a payout, guys, congrats. You gotta be proud, right? It's not easy to get payouts. You guys know that. We all know that. There's so many prop firms and options, but people get lured into so many accounts. How should we start? Should we take only one account first and take payouts and add more accounts? If you're new to the prop firm space trading, I would strongly, if it's me, well, by the way, I'm not a financial advisor, right? So keep that in perspective. But if it's me and I'm fairly new to the prop firm space, I would just take one account. I would just take one account and I'll try to prove myself if I can get the payout or not, right? What's the point in trying to buy 10 accounts and you're gonna lose all that 10 accounts fairly quickly, right? Isn't it better if you try to just take one account at a time and try to pass and try to get the payout on that single account? And then if you succeed, then you keep adding one by one. right? It's almost kind of like trading on your personal live account, right? You're not going to expose yourself into, you know, risking 10 times more than you normally would. So go slow. You know, if you are fairly new to the profit space trading, it's not easy. The drawdown is gonna kill you, right? So if all right, so we are kind of really slow right now, as I was kind of expecting. I did mention this on our Discord earlier this morning. I said, okay, well, this market, if the New York is really so slow, what's gonna be during Asia Globex, man? It's gonna be nasty. We are definitely getting that right now. Really slow so far, guys. I'm not interested in trying to make this a little more fancier, right? By adding more contracts. I'm not gonna do that. I've got 14 micros now, and I don't want to get into a losing trade. Even though we are getting rejection of that resistance of, let's see, if we, as long as we kind of hold this 985, I think we should be okay. But if not, then I think we have a little problem, guys. By the way, we have a giveaway today. Do not forget, guys, we got a giveaway. Go ahead and post your magic number on our Discord, guys, between 1 to 150, and I've shared my Discord link on our YouTube chat. Go ahead and use that link and go on to our Discord and hop and post your number between 1 to 150. Make sure there's no duplicate. Make sure you're the only one using that number as well. Good luck, everybody. The instruction is right up there. All right, back into this trading. We are kind of chopping in that range, 992. So far, I'm kind of leaning more. Let's say if we get a pullback into the 985, I'm gonna try and add to my position. I'll try to be maybe full size by the time it's said and done, right? So let's see how it goes. We could say this can pull back too. I wouldn't be surprised if we do that, but I will have to exit my trade though. I think as soon as we pull back into the 975, that's like literally 20 points away from where we are now. Then I'm gonna have to exit my trade and call it. Right. Something that I've done better in the last few days that I've noticed is that I'm also cutting my losses too sooner, which is great. JC, Apex denied your payout. When it's next time, I can request payout. Well, you gotta have windfall 69%. Yeah, so I'm assuming you had a big day. Oh, a single day. Yeah, you gotta bring it down to like, you gotta bring that windfall to 30%, number one, and then also you have to trade it for 8 days. So that's a little bit of a challenge, but Jesse, do not be too disappointed. You know, like if it's me, guess what I'm gonna do? All right, so today I'm at windfall 69%, and I've got $8,000 of profit locked in already. That account, I'm gonna go very, very slow, and I'm gonna load in some more accounts. You know what I mean? And I'm gonna try and build the next accounts, and use that account to kind of like use as a buffer, and just go really slow. Because if you try to pressure yourself to bring it down to 30% consistency, you may end up, wrecking that account, which is obviously not something that you want to do. Yeah. From last Friday? That's weird. Today's Monday. All right, so if they don't approve your payout tonight, or maybe into the midnight, so by tomorrow morning, if you don't have the $600 approved, then you gotta send an email to their customer service. I've never seen Take Profit Trader do that, so There's got to be some other reason, or maybe there's a little bit of a glitch on your dashboard. All right. Does Top Step have the same rule? Top Step is no same rule. You gotta have 5 winning days of $150 or more, right? So funding ticks have the same rule as Top Step, right? You gotta have 5 winning days of $150 or more, both funding ticks and Top Step. What platform does Take Profit Trader use? You can use Tradeovate, you can use Rhythmic, you can use TradingView, and there's something else I don't remember exactly. I don't use anything else other than Rhythmic on Quantower. I use Quantower or Tradeovate only to trade my prop firm accounts. That's what I do. All right, I hope I answered everybody's question. Luckily, the market's slow. I'm able to respond back to the chat, which is great. Imagine if this market was wild. I'll be busy with order fill all day. I'm trying as much as I can to be a little more aggressive, but I just can't right now. Uh, 70% a discount on swings and fundamentals. I don't know if it's 70%, but FDS is the one that offers you swing trades and fundamental challenges. All right, I gotta sit down a little bit, guys. Never give up. Never give up, everybody. Yeah, there were moments wherein I really wanted to give up. I'd probably say in the last 26 months of trading in the prop firm space, I probably had about 3 times I really want to give up. The first one was when I got denied for $26,000 from Apex. That was the first one. I was like, oh, I kind of felt like that's the end of the world. And that was last year. Yeah. Anyways, Minos Tech Pro Trader has not approved payout request from Friday. Really? They should do it today. In the worst case, right? Or just send an email to these guys. They may be a little behind, or maybe there's some glitch or something like that. There shouldn't be any reason why they would deny your payout. I mean, not approve your payout. Well, let's take a look at the gold, guys. Anything more exciting in gold? Honestly, there's nothing else exciting in gold. Anybody trading gold right now? Nothing really there in gold. I don't see anything there. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin for a moment. But the Bitcoin, interestingly, we had a bit of a pullback in Bitcoin. The futures Bitcoin. Wow, that was a big fat rejection of that 127k, and now we are pulling back into the 114. So I don't know, man. It's hard to trade Bitcoin futures for sure. The spreads are bad as well, so I don't know. I wouldn't want to touch the Bitcoin for now. Kind of, but he did not get payout because of consistency, meaning Top Step, you can't have a big winning day. You cannot have a big winning day. On Top Step, you can have a big winning day. I had $12,000 of profit one single day on one single trade. That was an overnight trade though. But you can have a huge trade, one single huge trade, and the rest of the days are gonna be like $150. Right? Market is freezing. Market is freezing. Apex, yeah. Is it normal that a TPT dashboard does not update before the day after? I mean, Take Profit Trader always updates their dashboard. Overnight is when they completely updates. Like the P&Ls updates at about, I think, 10 p.m. Eastern time, or maybe earlier, maybe 9 o'clock at night Eastern time. That's when the P&Ls all update. So you could request a payout at that time of the day, and then their approvals will come overnight usually. But after you got denied, did you get your $26,000 after that? I got a half of that, and half I blew those accounts because I got pissed and I ended up blowing those accounts. But I was very premature, right? I mean, thinking about it right now, it was a huge mistake, because just because you got it denied, no one's gonna care, right? No one's gonna care whether you got denied or not. And if you end up blowing your accounts just because you got denied and you get pissed, at the end of the day, it's all your fault. And that's exactly what happened to me last year. I got pissed and I got denied, got pissed, and I ended up blowing my accounts. And I was like, you know what? Somebody's gonna, you know, I thought somebody's gonna pay me. But of course, when you blow all your accounts and then you're like, okay, well, what am I gonna do now? There's nothing much you can do other than just start all over again, which is a crazy, silly thing to do ever. So definitely not the things you want to do. You get denied, you know, take a little step back, refresh yourself, and come back stronger. That's all you can do, right? I think you may be able to ask for less money at Apex. I don't know if that's the case, Charles Jolie. I don't think that's possible. Yeah, I know. Kiss Matt Tally. I know, man. Why does the market do this all the time? When you're long, the market pulls back. When you're short, the market bounces. It is true. It is somewhat true. But yeah. But honestly, it's at the end of the day, it's all up here, right? It's all our fault. It's just we just gotta find a better way to be better at trading, I think. We just gotta find a better entries and make sure we have a right place where our stop is. And the market's gotta swing whether you like it or not, right? We just gotta be able to survive with, you know, during that process of this market kind of swinging and dancing, whatever you guys want to call it. And then eventually the market's gonna find its way to be at the right place. And that's when your take profit is gonna get triggered. All right, so we are getting a little bit of a bounce back here, guys. We are trying to respect and try to revive and try to get a bounce back into the $26,000. So it's not a bad thing. Of course, we are kind of respecting the support levels too, right? 990, 985 is being respected right now. Let's see if we can actually get a bounce back and try to see if we can actually continue the trend to the upside. You know, and then I don't know, if we keep getting a balance between now through the FOMC, I almost kind of feel like, you know, maybe it could be the sell the news kind of thing, right? Who knows? So we are breaking out from this 996. Now we gotta hold this, right? If we can hold this, then I think we keep pushing here to the upside. But if not, then I think we have a little problem. So far, it looks like it's kind of holding. I need to see this thing get over $26,000, and the $26,000 end up holding. 4,000 was weak. All right. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong chart on the right hand side. I was like, it doesn't look right. That's a Bitcoin I was looking at. Sorry, man. Sorry, guys. I was looking at the wrong chart. The gold at 4,000 right here, 4,003. I wonder what this gold is trying to do. I wonder if we get a little bit of a bounce back into the 40s maybe before we try to get another pullback in gold. Gold is looking really weak, guys. I don't know. I don't know if you guys are trading gold and if you guys were trying to go long in gold, but I don't know. I don't like the setup here that's available with gold. Gold is looking weak. Anyways, back to the NQ now. The RTY is actually looking pretty good too. I don't know if you guys are trading RTY, but NQ trying to get a bounce back up again. Let's see if we actually end up holding this, guys. This is gonna be truly important now, right? So let's see if we get a breakout, guys. If we can get above this $26,000, I think we have a chance of a retest back into the what is it again, the 25, guys. We have a chance of a retest of the high. Maybe we create all-time new high again today, and Tokyo could maybe do it. I don't know. Trader Phil, what is up, man? Close your eyes and buy. There we go. And that's what we should have done this morning, guys. Of course I didn't do that, but woo, scary. AB, what is up, man? Should have stuck to that all day. I know, man. I know. Frustrating day today for me as well. But of course, I mean, I'm not gonna complain because all my trades were very, very base hits, and I was just longing all day. I wasn't trying to short the market, so kind of like I kind of survived in a sense. Trying to go long was definitely an easy thing to do today. And luckily I was on the right side. But we're here, blessed to be able to trade every day. Yes, sir. That's right, Trader Phil. We should be blessed that we are able to trade every day. There were days when I could not buy any accounts because I was my debt was like right at the ceiling. So even though I kind of felt like I was ready to trade, I couldn't load in any accounts, man. There were days, you know. I'm pretty sure some of you guys are like that too right now. But do not give up hope, guys. This journey is it's a long haul, right? Wait for the 90% off. I think Apex is gonna come out with the 90% off pretty soon. I think. We'll see how it goes. Maybe they do it in the next few days before the month is over. We'll see. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream. And do not forget to post the number on our Discord, guys. Discord chat for the giveaway participation. All right, a little bit of a pullback here down. Let's see if we actually end up holding. 994 is going to be a big level. I'm not bad, you know. Like even during the Asian market, I did not went down. Like yesterday, I was up during the Asian market. This morning, I was up as well. And so overall, I had a pretty good last 3 days straight back to back. Did not lose any accounts, whether it's in eval, whether it's funded, both. It was okay. So I'm pretty pleased with my overall discipline. Now my biggest problem has always been like I've been pretty consistent and shown discipline, but the problem is it doesn't last the whole 30 days of the entire month. You know what I mean? It's good for the first 15 days, and then it starts to be really challenging. I don't know. It's always been like that, right? So the first 15 days has been super duper great, and then it's like the next 7 days is like kind of like shaking out, down, and then you try to just try to recover from the massive losses right towards the end of the month. It's tough. You're short gold right now, guys. Are you short gold? Gold. Shorting gold. Yeah. I don't know. Gold looks like it wants to just dump. Maybe we get a little bit of a bounce before we get a show. Before we actually end up pulling back here. I don't know. 40-12, maybe 40-12 to 20, maybe net level, and then maybe get a pullback from there. The Bitcoin looking like it wants to just fall apart. Getting a pullback. The Bitcoin is just not doing the thing that we would like to see. We are breaking down on the Bitcoin, guys. I don't know, man. We may try to fill the gap to the downside here as well. We got a huge, massive area. We've got to hold this, but I almost kind of feel like, you know, we're going to pull back into this level here. I don't know. Bitcoin not looking that great at all to me, and the gold the same thing. Maybe get a little dead cat bounce and go, but then it's like, ooh, it's gonna fade down. Anyways, back to NQ. The BankQ looking pretty good. Let's see if we end up holding this $26,000. Let's see if it's gonna respect it now. You are long, CJ. Oh my God, have you guys seen that? What a wick there! Back into $26,000, man. Incredible. Wow. Incredible, guys. Incredible, guys. This is absolutely insane here. 2 points away from take profit trader. Take profit. Oh my God. Boom. Quick $600 off the NQ right now. Nice. Fiber splice gold, man. Good stuff. Guys, I'm long. I'm long from 25,998. And I'm kind of up. Nothing really too crazy, but I mean, still up. I'll take you guys. Still up. Still holding my longs, guys, on NQ. I'm not interested in trading gold right now. Gold is kind of like poo-poo for now. Nothing really too exciting in gold. I know a lot of you guys love gold, but I love gold too. The real gold. Bitcoin, man. Bitcoin looks like it wants to just pull back here, man. Look at this NQ, guys. What an NQ. Back over $26,000. Holy mochino. We are back over 26K. Once again, guys, we have a giveaway today. Do not forget to post in your numbers, guys. Guys, did you hear me? And do not forget to smack the like, guys. If you guys want to support the stream. Over 300 concurrent viewers, guys. Thank you so much, all of you, for being here today. All right. Yeah, I may be live tomorrow morning during New York, guys, at about 11 a.m. Eastern time. 11 a.m. Eastern time, I will be live tomorrow morning. New York, the biggest and the largest stock tiger, live trader with real accounts, real trading. No joker. We'll be live tomorrow. We'll be on this channel. We'll be on this channel, guys. And we're gonna have a lot of fun tomorrow morning too. I'm gonna be like machine gunner. Boom, boom, boom. In out, in out. Order field all day long, guys, with micros. You're gonna watch me go live trading with lots of funded accounts, going in with micro NQ. I'm gonna be mostly micro NQ tomorrow morning. I may try to trade NQ depending on how clean the price action is, right? So if the market is kind of dirty and it's like really hard to kind of gauge where it's gonna go, then I'm gonna be trading off the micros, right? If the market is really clean and nice and smooth, sailing to the moon, it's a nice clean trending day, then I will step in with the NQ trade. Nice, Monica, man. Over $200 you need to pass the account. Monica, man, you could do it right now. Come on. Come on, Monica. Show us the way. Look at this. Look at this pullback here, back in $26,000. Damn it. Good stuff, market. Wow, look at that nasty pullback here, guys. Asia market, thank you so much. You never surprises me. You never disappoints me, Asia market. Globex. Asia market. Good news, if we went up 1,000 points, news goes down 1,000 points. Yeah. Guys, man, I kind of feel like tomorrow's going to be a slow day. Another calm before the storm, right? Because that's getting pretty close to now FOMC. We may try to break it down, right? I wouldn't be surprised if we do that too. Right? I mean, we all know what to expect from FOMC tomorrow. They're going to expect 25 basis points rate cut. And that's known. It's like everybody knows that. So is it going to be like sell the news? You know, we could see a little bit of profit taking as well. And I don't know how that's going to... it's going to be very interesting. You know, if we... have we got some earnings too as well, I think, if I'm not wrong. I wonder what these earnings are. But I do know that we have a big earnings coming out on Wednesday, but I don't know about Tuesday. I can't remember. I'm going to have to take a look at what sort of earnings we have on Tuesday. We'll see. But again, earnings, what a combination of a lot of different things, man. We got a lot of news. We got a lot of earnings. It's packed with events this week, guys. This is the time to kind of shine. We got a lot of things going on. The market is going to be a huge volatility, big swings, up and down, roller coaster. I hope we all survive, guys. After this week, we'll be like, whoo, thank God it's over now. And I hope all of you are in the greens at the end of the week. Oh my God, we have, oh my God, DJ, 27,000 on NQ. That's, come on, that's asking for too much now, brother. At the end of the year, maybe. Oh, you said at the end of the year. Okay. That's what Tom Lee said. Stock Tiger is still not in that can just yet. I don't know. 1 day to pass. 1 day to pass right now. It's obviously Bionox. You got Apex. And who else is there? Oh, I still have some firms. I can't remember who it was. Let's take a look. You got Lucid trading accounts. That's 1 day to pass, and Tradify also 1 day to pass as well. Lucid, Tradify, all 1 day to pass. And what else do we have other than that? That's it, right? Everybody else is a few days, 2-3 days to pass. I mean, guys, you know, honestly, 1 day to pass, it doesn't make me any more excited anymore. It used to a long time ago, not anymore though. It's like, what's the, I don't know. I just kind of feel like, you know, this could be a little bit of a trap, you know, this 1 day to pass. You know, it's hard, or even unlimited payout cap. And that could be another, you know, a little bit of a trap, if you will. You know, I mean, I kind of noticed that a lot of traders kind of get very excited when you see unlimited payout cap. It's like, let's try to work on getting a regular payouts, right? Couple $1,000s every few days, right? The moment you see this unlimited payout cap, it's like, you know, all right, maybe I could take $70,000 in one single trade. I don't know. It's it sounds easy, but I prefer to. This is my thought process, right? I'm gonna show it to you guys right now, but I would rather go with accounts that's gonna be, let's say, between 60 to 80 bucks all in. And then if you have to have 5 winning trading days of $150 or more, and then that allows you to get, let's say, $1,000. If you can get $1,000 across 5 accounts, right? 5 accounts, $1,000, nothing more. $1,000 every week on 5 accounts, guys. And that's $5,000. That's $5,000 every week across 5 accounts. Let's just say even if it's 3 accounts, okay? Let's just say even if it's 3 accounts, right? Even if it's 3 accounts, that's gonna get you to $3,000. Do the math. If you do, let's say, not even 4 weeks, but this is every week you have $3,000. Let's just say you do it for 3 weeks, okay? Times 3, and that's like $9,000, right? It's almost a guarantee to get $9,000 in a month, and you have excluded 1 week out of the 4. You've only said 3 weeks, and out of the 5 accounts you said 3. So you're kind of like going conservative with your payout strategy. You know, it's very doable, right? So if you do $9,000 every month on one single firm, whoever it may be, it could be Top Step for all you know, but I'm just saying, $1,000 every week across 3 accounts, that's $3,000, and for 3 weeks, that's gonna get you $9,000. I mean, why not? And that's my thought process, you know, and that's what I've been doing across a lot of accounts too, a lot of firms and a lot of accounts. And of course, during that process, because you got a lot of accounts maybe in good standing, you may try to YOLO one account, right? YOLO one account, right? YOLO one account. Why not, right? You have the ability to do that because all your accounts in good standing. So why not YOLO one account that could kind of get you to a much bigger payout? Maybe one single trade overnight or whatever it may be, that may get you a 10K payout. What's the worst it can be? You lose this one account, but you have a chance of banking over $10,000. You know what I mean? I don't know. That's just my thought process. Anyways, guys, back into this trading. The market is back up again, and it's looking pretty good.
Order filled.
They're down to 6 contracts now.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
If only it was that simple. Yeah. I mean, but this is much simple and much straightforward and much more doable, right? Than traders getting very excited to see unlimited payout, let's say promos or offers, right? Right. This is much more doable than trying to get an unlimited payout cap. You know, that's where I was kind of trying to get to. Anyways, guys, we are here at over $26,000, trying to get a nice little bounce. I like it. We may try to retest the high, which is great, and that would be at 25, right?
Order
filled.
All right, guys, I'm this is getting triggered. I'm down to 5 contracts here. And that 25 is where the high is, and you know, I wouldn't be surprised if we kissed that 2,500 again today. But first thing first, we gotta get over 15 as well first before we do that. Before we try to get to 25. Definitely doable today, I think. So far looking pretty good, guys, man. We are getting a bounce off that low, and we just kept respecting this low, and the support levels as well. And we're above all the EMAs. So we may start to just push. I don't know. We'll see, guys. Not bad. If you guys are doing well today, congrats, man. Gold selling. Gold is selling now. Oh, Mochaccino, guys, look at that gold pull back here, back into below 40,000. 40, not 40,000. 4,000. Gold is back down to 4,000, guys. Oh my God, you've got to be kidding, guys. The gold was at 44. It was at 44,000. Sorry, 4,400. Just 7 days ago, everybody. 7 days ago, it was 44, and today here we are, below 4,000. That's 300 points pullback here, guys. Incredible gold pullback. Kudos to everybody if you went short gold a few days ago. Whether you guys were swinging on your personal live account or trading intraday on your prop firm trading account. But if you guys were shorting, you were definitely making a lot and lots of profits. Good for you guys. I wasn't there. You guys know the reason why. He asked for 1 day past profit, but your calculation you showed us does not apply to whoever asked about 1 day profit. I'm not sure what your question is. Stock Tiger, do you use Quantower? I do use Quantower now. I use Quantower to trade Apex rhythmic accounts. You're long goal right now. Irmis. Well, good luck, brother. I think we get maybe a little bit of decade bounce in gold, I guess. This trading should go back up after FOMC meeting. I mean, I'm not gonna guess at this point. After FOMC, I have no idea where it's gonna go, and I'm not interested in trying to know where it's gonna go after FOMC. Look, after FOMC, you're gonna have Fed chair come out and talk, and that's gonna create that huge volatility. And on top of that, you have earnings come out, man. That's gonna be sick. That's gonna be crazy, guys. If any, I think no matter how FOMC turn out to be, I think earnings is gonna really dictate where the market's gonna go next. Okay, if Microsoft and Google earnings come out, you know, let's just say come in line. If they come in line and a pretty mediocre guidance of how the next 6 months is gonna look like, then I think we have a little problem. Maybe it's a kind of a sell the news kind of an event. But I think it really boils down to guidance, right? If Microsoft and Google comes out and say the advertising, everything's looking fancy, you know, we're expecting a huge volume of ads come in, and the guidance is up, then I think, you know, we could see this market just rip all the way. I don't know how far, but I mean, it'll be great for bulls for sure. That I know. They come out on Wednesday. They come out on Wednesday, guys, and then we also have FOMC on Wednesday, so it's a combination of a lot of things coming out on Wednesday, man. It's a huge day. Huge. I hope everybody is safe on that day. God bless if you guys are trading on Wednesday. It's gonna be scary. Submitting your payout with Apex tomorrow. Nice, man. I'm also requesting a payout with Apex tomorrow. I think that's gonna be $6,000 of Apex payout tomorrow. So hopefully that you know, hopefully I get approved on those payouts. I would love to see my payout get approved. Yeah, I mean, as long as we, you know, oh, guys, once again, I'm going to exit this trade right here. I'm going to exit this trade. Filled. All right, I exited that trade. Wow, that's a pretty hard rejection there. Maybe get a little pullback here down. I don't know. Let's see if we retest the $26,000. We are really kind of chopping here, and we've got another 30 more minutes for Tokyo, so we'll see how it goes. For now, I'm not in a trade. I've got no open position so far. Let's try to be, well, I want to try and go
Order
long.
submitted.
Limit
Order
orders
submitted.
here. Limit orders. Stock Tiger
Order
placing
submitted.
limit orders
Order
now.
Submitted. Order submitted.
Let's see if we can actually get to a better average entry. Back down into the 26,000. I knew that was a nice little bounce we got. Damn it. Oh well. Not a good exit. I kind of panicked. I exited my trade. I should have maybe reloaded, re-added there. I exited that trade and it faked me out. This is what I was talking about sometimes, you know, it kind of really enjoys faking traders out. I tend to get tend to get a lot of fakes during Asia. Very annoying sometimes, but anyways, guys, do not forget to participate on our giveaway today, guys. I've got a giveaway going on. I shared the Discord link on our YouTube chat. Go ahead and use that link to go ahead and post your numbers, right? If you have more than one number, you're gonna get disqualified. It's pretty straightforward, nothing really too complicated there. And do not forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream as well. Over 300 viewers right now, with only 50 likes. Let's go, guys. Thank you so much, everyone. No time to sell gold. Why? Well, the gold is getting a nice little bounce, right? It's I don't know. Gold looking not bad. Gold is not looking too bad right now. Maybe get a little bit of a bounce back into the 30s, maybe in gold. Maybe this could be the bottoming process for now, a short-term bottoming process in gold. Maybe get a bounce back into oh my god. The biggest drawdown on the Tradeovate is like the drawing tool, right? The drawing is horrible. But anyways, it is what it is, I guess. Let's where's this chart doing chart setting? Fills and price levels. So you guys, we get a little bounce back in the gold. Let's see. NQ is still looking pretty bullish, right? I don't really see anything else. We are getting a breakout now. Oh my god, man, I missed it. I missed the whole entire move. Let's see if we can actually grab a little piece of that. I'm gonna try and long on a little pullback here if you get. Oh well. All right, I'm gonna try and long here, guys, on a pullback down. Let's see. We are retesting the 17. We actually did retest the 17. That's the initial resistance that we talked about. And we could see the all-time high, guys. I think Asian market really wants to see that. Maybe Tokyo is gonna do it. Tokyo is gonna kill it, guys. Holy mochino. Let's get it, guys. Oh well. What do you guys think? Do you guys think Asian market is gonna really dump? Sorry, not dump.
Order filled.
Oh my god, guys, we're getting a pullback here.
Order filled.
I'm getting hurt. Stock Tiger getting hurt, guys. Wow, it's pretty volatile here today. Have you guys noticed that? You know, we're getting an easily 20 points move up and down during Globex. It's not even Asia. Tokyo is not even open yet. Tokyo is just about to wake up, and yet we're still moving. I wonder what this Tokyo is gonna do, guys, today. We're getting that volatility here for sure. Incredible, incredible, guys. Not a bounce, guys. Nice little bounce, nice little pop. I wonder if I have to add. I would love to add, but I'm worried. I'm worried about a triple top here. You know what I mean? Maybe this could be a triple top. We could see this thing pull back all the way down to the 985. We can't just keep moving here to the upside, guys, right? I don't know. I almost kind of feel like I prefer to short this market, right? It's not. I'm not at a discounted price at all. We're kind of like its ceiling. We may try to grab more liquidity in this high at 25 and 18, and maybe get a flush down back into the 985. I don't know. Let's do a little poll. I want to find out what you guys think. Where is this market going tonight? Up and down, or maybe it could be a chop as well. All right, let me know what you guys think, guys. It's gonna be truly important. Ooh, baby. The market only knows how to go up. Yeah, that's true. All right. Where do we see the market going tonight? We have over 40 votes thinking we move up. Oh my god. We have over 40 votes with over half the traders thinking we are moving up. All right. Well, I guess the market's going to go up, guys, tonight.
Order canceled.
I guess it's no brainer. No bueno, no pasa nada. Market is. Oh, Alfred, man, what is up, brother? What is up? Let's take a look. Sorry, man, I forgot to read the chat. I was busy looking at the banner for the votes. I kind of feel like, you know, we're gonna chop maybe in the range bound, but I don't know how much of a range bound it's gonna be. But I don't know. Alfred, the market's waiting for Tiger to. Oh, 30,000. Holy! We all know you have the buying power to do it. Alfred's got the buying power, not Stock Tiger. I'm just a little. I'm the smallest day trader. Smallest day trader. Nothing. I can't move the market at all. I tell you what, guys. I think Alfred's moving this market down right now. You see this big dump we had earlier today? That was Alfred. You know, moving this market down. Incredible. Hey man, Michael, I mean, thanks for the nice compliment, brother. I mean, I'm very grateful that it was helpful, Michael Loney. Thank you so much. Flawless Trader, Bowser trades, gold up 20 points. Egado Leon, hey man, I'm me hablo español. See, what else again? What else can I say in Spanish? Yeah, me hablo español. ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, right? See, hey, super fluent in Spanish. Holy, I can go probably live in Spain now. All right. So let's see where this is gonna go, guys. We are getting a nice little pop here. Oh, by the way, guys, let's do one. Hold on 1 second, guys. Hold on. Oops. All right, the market trying to get a bounce, which is great. Well, I am getting pretty close to starting our giveaway. And not a bad trade. We kind of understood this market is still very bullish. There was no reason to kind of be bearish until we start to see some crack in this market. And so far, we have not really gotten anything. We are constantly moving here to the upside. I think we try to retest the high at 25. I wouldn't be surprised if we do that. Perfect play, you have no bias, but just trade the chart. Yeah, just trade the technicals, right? I mean, you know, if we are expecting some kind of a big news to come out, then yeah, I mean, maybe best to kind of step away, watch this market do its thing. But right now, we don't really see anything else other than just technicals. But obviously, Asia market, even Asia market, the technicals is really hard. Because usually there's no pattern during Asia market, right? So it's really hard to trade even technicals, but well, nothing much I can do, right? I can't change the way the Asia market trades. Monica, what is up, man? You already passed? No, I haven't passed this account just yet. I still have some ways to go. I think probably do it tomorrow. Yeah, the Asia market. Come on, guys. Asia market can definitely do better than what it's doing now. Show me some action here, Asia market. Globex. We got little less than 30 more minutes for Tokyo. So we are getting pretty close to Tokyo now. I don't know how that's gonna change anything, to be honest. New York today was pretty boring. Very choppy. Holy guys. But somehow I found a way to hit base hits, and yeah, I got back into some good trades today, this morning, even with that sort of a chop that we had. So I'm glad, I'm grateful. Whew. We're back at $26,000 here, guys. We'll see how it goes. So far, looks like it's holding. Trade order floor. No, I don't use bookmap. I don't use the order flow. I don't use any of that, guys. I don't do that. All right, still choppy, but at least we got above the $26,000, guys. That's pretty significant, right? I thought we were gonna pull back deeper, but then guess what, guys? It's not a coincidence. I drew that level there at 985, and we clearly respected that level, right? We clearly respected that level, and then we also respected that trend line, and we also broke out of this pivot as well at $26,000. And that kind of gave you that conviction that this market's going to get a bounce, which is great, right? It's a combination of a lot of things. Now it's a major level of support at 985, and we respected that, and we were respecting the trend line right at the support. Broke out of this pivot here at $26,000, and we're grinding up. We're above pretty much all the EMAs now too. But we got that bit of a resistance here at 18. I don't know. We're having a little bit of a tough moment to break out of this 18 now. So maybe we get a little pullback before we get a bounce. I don't know. There's no buyers. We're kind of running out of buyers. The volume's kind of dying too. I don't know. Looks weak so far, everybody. No bueno, no pasa nada, guys. No juice. No juice. I'm gonna try and take some off the table. Now I'm down to 2 contracts here, guys. Down to 2. Let's just flip to something else. I'm gonna flip to something else, guys. I'm gonna flip to my other account. Let's see if I can actually trade the other account now.
Order submitted.
So let's say the support is gonna be at $26,000. Okay.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
So we are pretty close to Tokyo now. We're about 20 minutes away. All right. So see, guys. I'm gonna look for a little pullback down.
Order filled.
Todo tranquilo. See, my Spanish is super duper. All right, guys, back into 26,000.
Order filled.
All right, so we got a little pullback down to 26,000, but I wonder. Yeah, I'm still looking for a little pullback down. I kind of like the idea of a trying to go long on a pullback. I'm gonna look for a little pullback before we try to go long. What is up, man? Bro, what is going on? Edgar Leon, Vinny Lee in the house. What is up, man? BitQLD, Monica PG contract, guys. We are pulling back here now. Yeah, just forget about order floor and just trade. Let's go. I know, man. We're so all-time high. It's incredible, guys. Look how far we have actually come. Incredible. I'm on a 30-minute chart, but literally no pullback. It was just straight to the moon right from last night. We kind of got stuck in that $25,000, 700, and all the way. It's like 300 points, man. This market is so freaking silly. It's not even funny anymore. Look. Wow. Incredible, guys. Incredible. I have no words to describe how scary this market is. Incredible, man. We're right now at $26,000. Who would have ever thought that we'll be at 26, everybody? Who would? The number 1 and number 2 winner of the Robin Cup used order floor. I mean, bro, like, that's good for those guys, right? I'm taking the payouts I need. I'm doing great. I'm happy with the way I'm trading. I'm being consistent for many years now. I think I'm okay where I am, right? So if this is my first year in trading, I may think about it, but you know, I've been trading for too long now to kind of change the way I trade, to be honest. Whether that's right or wrong, I'm not saying that's wrong, but I'm just saying. This could be a melt up. Yeah, it's obviously not useless, of course. I mean, nothing's useless, guys.
Order filled.
You know, something's working, that's why they're using it, right? That's very obvious. I use RSI. If you see, all my charts have RSI, and the reason I have RSI is it really helped me, right, in my trading. But a lot of traders go, okay, well, RSI, really? You know what I mean? I'm probably one of the few traders who use RSI, to be honest. Have you ever traded options? Yeah, I traded lots of options for many years. And I'm pretty much at break even so far this year. Sorry, not this year. So far up until now, after trading for about 7-8 years in options. I'm only break even, I'm going to be honest. That's probably an area of area where I did not really make as much. I made lots. I mean, you know, I were in certain trades, like, you know, for example, I was in NIO trades. I don't know if you guys know NIO, the Chinese EV manufacturer, several years ago. I got in with $1,000 and options, short options. I was put options for $1,000, and I made like $9,000. But I also got into a lot of options trading where I ended up losing too, quite a lot, right? So at the end of the day, I just kind of feel like, you know, it's options.
Order filled.
I don't know. I just it's hard to be profitable, you know, going after options. And like, you know, long haul, the long run, it's gonna be tough. It's yeah. I mean, let's say you gotta be yeah. Anyways, forget about options for now. Use algorithm. Oh, okay, nice. You had 160 bucks for 2 Boeing options that turned into $9,000 in 4 days. Yeah. I mean, yeah, that's good. I mean, the thing is, when you guys are on a losing trade, it's tough, right? It's tough. At the end of the day, I prefer to just keep buying on a pullbacks on equities, right? You know, equities. Let's say, for example, if this market's gonna pull back another 30% from here, like every 10% pullback, I'll just keep loading in longs and just keep adding and adding, right? And then just hold it and add even more when there's a clear reversal pattern on that equity trade. That's what I would do. I mean, that's what I've been doing. Options for now, and then let's get back into the futures prop from trading. Oh, guys, did I actually end up getting disconnected? Guys, am I disconnected right now? Can somebody let me know? Oh dear, am I?
Order canceled.
Am I disconnected right now, guys? Oh dear. Oh dear. Let me know if I am. I kind of feel like I got disconnected here. I'm so sorry, guys, if I actually did. Maybe not. I see a perfect play saying I love options, so it's not disconnected. I'm okay. All right, guys, I'm safe. All right, guys, man. This market is trying to get a bounce. We respected that trend line again. So guess what, guys?
Order filled.
Submitted.
Let's try to go long here.
Order filled.
Hopefully, I don't get chopped in this bad boy.
Order filled.
Oh dear, guys, I'm long with 8 contracts here right now.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Let's see.
Order
Let's see if we can
submitted.
retest the high, guys. I'm gonna place my hard stop here now. You know, just in case, kind of like in that 998.
Order
Oh
filled.
my, look, Chino, look at that, guys. Oh
Order
my.
submitted.
Oh, really? I did for a second. You are buffering. Okay, I see. You are back again. Thank you, guys, man. I'm sorry. I think my computer is a bit unstable. All right, guys. Beautiful bounce off that trend line there at $26,000. That $26,000 is actually pretty significant, right? That's a significant level, $26,000, right? And we respected that. We got a nice, beautiful bounce off that level. Let's see if we actually end up holding this. We kind of retested this 26,000 forever now. Maybe it's time to like rocket launcher by now. A risk striker. I'm a risk taker, absolutely, for sure, man. I'm learning and I'm kind of getting better at taking risk at the right time. I mean, I'm not saying that's today, but I don't know if you guys noticed, but sometimes when I really kind of like, you know, feel this is the moment to do it, I really take a stab. And it's been paying, I think, so far. And that's what I've been trying to do for the last 6 months. Kind of worked out pretty nicely. There were, yeah, man, you know, I had some nice trades with, let's say, over $12,000 of profits in a single trade overnight as well. It's been a little bit tougher lately because the market has been so volatile. But, yeah, we'll give it a try again in the next couple weeks. Voice is breaking, really? Oh my god. Yeah, I mean, as much as I really want to be aggressive here tonight, this market's not moving as much, right? It's only moving about 10 points, so. All right, guys, we got 8 more minutes for Tokyo now, which is good to go, guys. Big one. And that's getting better. Oh well.
Order filled.
Order filled.
I don't know. I had a massive buffering here, which weird. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream. Stock Tiger here. I go live every day, guys, just so you know. 6 p.m. Eastern Time, Asia, Globex. Kind of like the worst trading session I kind of feel like lately. But I go live because this is the time I can actually go live every day. So 6 p.m. Eastern Time, Asia market, guys. And then I try my level best to trade in New York as well. Every time I'm actually in front of my computer during New York, I always try to go live. Right? NQ to retest the gap. Oh, it's gonna be very interesting, to be honest, man. I'm not in that camp just yet. Like, in order to feel the gap to the downside, guys, man, it's we gotta have some kind of a strong confirmation and a strong catalyst to move this market down, right? We just don't have any of that. That's the bigger problem, right? I mean, I kind of feel like the bulls, and let's just say swing traders or investors who's made so much money now, if you just take a look from a long-term portfolio standpoint, I'm pretty sure a lot of traders with their equities, they've been loading in Nvidia or Apple, for example. Like, they've got to find a good reason to kind of take profits off. And that would kind of fill the gap to the downside, but we don't have any of that so far. I think the catalyst that we could end up doing is 2 things, right? It's either the earnings with Microsoft and Google. We have a bad earning with Microsoft and Google, or we have Trump just come out tomorrow, for example, and just say, okay, well, our discussion with China, suddenly it's off the table. Then yeah, we're gonna see like 4 or 5 points pullback easily. Like, yeah, that's the problem, right? We're just trying to look for some good reasons to kind of pull back in the market. We just don't have any of that. That's the bigger problem. But we're kind of overstretched here at the same time, so we'll see. I mean, until we break, let's just not try to, assume that we're going to fill the gap. At some point, we'll have to, but I mean, I don't know if this is the time to do it. Maybe it's the FOMC and the earning, and maybe it could be the tariff. Like right now we have US and Canada 10% tariff over and over above all the existing tariff right now. If Trump comes out and says, okay, well, we're gonna dump another 50% tariff on Canada, and on top of that, if he goes, okay, well, we're gonna put another 30% tariff on China, and China comes back, retaliates, and say, okay, well, we're gonna respond back to DT's tariff, then yeah, I think that's easily a 6 points pullback in this market, and that's gonna be like back to $24,400 for all you know. Incredible. Yeah, so for now I'm just gonna have to try and buy the dip, you know what I mean, until we start to see some cracks in the market. All right, guys, we are getting a little pullback here. I was kind of worried about a... Hold on 1 second, guys. I'm going to exit this trade. I'm going to exit that trade right there, guys. I'm going to exit that trade. We talked about this. We talked about a double top here, and we could see a pullback down into the 985, right? We talked about that, and it looks like we are doing that right here. In your opinion, it's just a chop city? Yeah, I mean, it could be. I wouldn't be surprised. All right, I think it's that time of the day to do our giveaway, guys. I am gonna go ahead and do it right now. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream. I thank you once again for doing that every day, guys. Every day. And I thank you guys for showing up every day as well. Lots of great positive energy on our chat too. Right? Thank you guys, man. Thank you for great comments. Thank you obviously for sharing your trade ideas every day. You know, whether it's good, bad, ugly, it doesn't really matter. We kind of support each other on our stream. And I want to thank you guys, all of you, for doing that.
Order submitted.
All right, guys, we are getting a little bounce, man. Jeez.
Order filled.
Order filled.
I want to try and long here, guys.
Order
filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Okay, so here I am trying to go long here. Maybe we may try to retest the 985. We'll see how it goes. For now, guys, we've got our giveaway. It's gonna be our Apex account giveaway right here, right now. All right. So I hope you guys ended up posting your numbers. Good luck, everybody. Huge like from Mexico. Yeah, yes. Thank you so much. Mexico. Mi hablo español. Holy cow, man. That's the only thing I know in Spanish. I think we're at the best place. Prop firm, futures trading, it's the best place it can ever be. Okay? So be proud. Let's bank, get payouts, and run away. We made it 2 giveaways, guys, today. We made it 2. Okay, we'll do one now and we'll do another one maybe towards the end. I don't know when the end's gonna be. But muchas gracias, everybody, for your support. It's been my honor to be able to live stream it here every day with all of you. And I'm down. Guess what, guys? I'm down. Stock Tiger is down. Incredible market. Back down to below $26,000 in NQ. Incredible. Stock Tiger. Stock Tiger. Tiger. Down. Come on, market. What are you trying to do? Give us a little pullback here down or what? All right, guys. I'm going to exit that trade.
Order filled.
Yeah, I kind of exited that trade. I exited that trade. I'm not in that position. I'm only down $88. Not the end of the world. But this market is just not giving me that sort of a conviction to be in a trade so far. So I'm going to have to let this do its thing to kind of play out. We are getting a breakout at the gold, guys. Looking at the gold. Were you guys long gold earlier? Nice, man. Gold looking better right now. But anyways, guys, back to the giveaway. Good luck, everybody. I'm going to go ahead and call out the winning number right now. $75, guys. 75. Here we go, everybody. 75. Nobody is 75, guys. Nobody is 75. We do it again right now, right here. 60, guys. 60. 60. Nobody here today. 60. Oh dear. Oh dear. No 60 here today, guys. Okay, so let me just take a few minutes break here. No lucky number. 60. If you want to participate on our giveaway, you guys have to hop on our Discord and post in the number. Read the instruction and post in the number. I'm gonna share my Discord link again, guys. Did you hear me? Here we go, guys. Pretty interesting price action so far in gold and NQ. NQ pulled back here now a little bit. Oh, it was perfect play. Perfect play is not gonna trade prop firm anyways. I know that. We don't have a winner yet, Edgar. We don't have the winner yet. We're trying to find a. We're trying to get a winner. We don't have the winner yet. We'll wait. I'm just looking at this price action, guys. Trying to take a look at this market, but so far the market looks weak. Guys, Tokyo just opened 2 minutes ago. I completely forgot that Tokyo's open. Tokyo. We're about to... Oh my god, I can't believe that. Incredible. Man, I'm trying to get a payout from Tradify, but oh man, surprisingly, the Tradify is my consistency is 100% right now. I can't believe that. I wonder why. All right, guys, we are getting a pullback here, 986 on NQ, and the gold is also pulling back here right now. Pretty interesting. Pretty interesting. I'm kind of a little messed up because last 10 days, you guys know I've been pretty bad in GC trying to get a bounce, $4,000. No, just my account's a little wonky, if you will. Like I'll share a little snap on my account, but it's kind of funny because oh my god, how do you do that? New, don't save. Like, we just take a look. I don't think I can. I don't think I can take my payout with Tradify for all you know this month. I may have to just trade on a daily basis because right now my consistency is at 100%. Right, even though I have $4,700 on this account right now, it's 100% consistency. I don't know why, but that's what it's saying. And I've traded 6 days after getting the first. Not after getting my second payout. This is going to be my third one on this Tradify. And I'm at 100% consistency, so I may have to step up a little bit, right? Try to get more, I guess, profit on this account. But yeah, overall, I've got a lot of profits on this account, but it's like, so I may have to give up taking payouts on this account for this month. This is a growth challenge. This is my growth challenge, and I'll show you guys. It may be here. Oh my god, I hate this. Damn it. Anyways, I think hold on 1 second, guys. Let me just take it offline. Just 1 second, guys. I'll show it to you guys. My login. There we go. Right, so you had $2,000 here. Negative. Now these were the tough weeks, right? These were the tough weeks for me. And then I had negative $600 here, but then I also had $1,500 back here again. and then 281 and 495. So I don't know. I'm not sure what triggered this to be 100%. You know what I mean? So, but it's fine. I'll probably just end up trading for more days. But then I kind of have to give up taking the payout for this month, I guess, on this account, and just trade every day for a few $100s and then see where it goes. I'm pretty confident, at least in the month of November, I'll take the payout. But for now, it's kind of like it's limbo. All right, guys, we are getting a pullback here in the. We're getting a little pullback into the 980, guys. Great that I actually exited that trade earlier. We did talk about double top there and a pullback down into 980. We are getting a pullback in gold as well here now, which is pretty interesting. Oh, that's a pretty bad pullback here. 1 second. Hold on, where am I at? I've got to. Oh, by the way, I've got to end the poll. I'm not in a position now, guys. I have no open position right now. Guys, 1 minute, guys. I kind of got disconnected here, so just bear with me. I have no open position right now. I did my trade at 995, thinking we got some more pullbacks to do, and we are actually getting a little pullback here down into the 983. I don't know if that's gonna hold, so I said to myself, you know, I might as well just exit my trade. So I'm only down about $80. Yeah, I mean, if you went long, if you went short this market, right, like right at the top here, $26,000, you could have banked pretty hard. How I did today? I did pretty good today, I think. I didn't lose any single account today, and everything was in green. So I'll take it. You know, today was one of those days where a lot of base hits, but the base hits were actually nice and clean. So I'm very grateful for how everything turned out to be today. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna the gold trying to find a footing here at 4,000. But I think at some point, I think we break it to the downside. We got a big fat rejection at 19 in that gold, so. Typical Asia flush, yeah. Hold on, guys. We are getting a nice little pump here. I'm gonna try and
order
filled.
Hold on 1 second, guys. I'm gonna try and long on a pullback here.
Order submitted.
And I'm gonna place a hard stop
Order filled.
right in that 965.
Order submitted.
All right. 965 is where I'm gonna be like, okay, well, that's my last area of support. After that, I'm gonna exit my trade. Oh man, the gold is pulling back. Pretty nasty pullback after all, guys. I should have shorted this gold. Ugh, I kind of missed that too, so oh well. It is what it is. We got a nice, beautiful bounce off that 980.
Order filled.
Let's see, guys. Oh my god.
Order filled.
Got a nice little bounce.
Order canceled. Order canceled. Order canceled.
All right, I'm gonna try and reload just in case we get a pullback here down.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
And then I'm gonna exit my
Order
trade
submitted.
at 970 area just in case we get a pullback. Okay. Look at this, man. And keep trying to get a bounce, and gold trying to pull back. Pretty interesting price action so far. Let's see if we hold this, guys. I'm gonna place my stop here at 973. Sorry, 972. Gold is looking dumpy, guys. Be careful, you guys are trading gold.
Order
All
submitted.
right, I'm gonna place my
Order
orders,
submitted.
my TPs
Order
here
submitted.
along the way. If you get a bounce back up again into the $26,000. All right, let's go ahead and look for the winning number. We cannot do it because we cannot get the winning number. I did twice. We're gonna try and do another attempt. Because 1 second, I just want to see where this market's gonna go right here, right now. Are we gonna bounce back into 26? That's gonna be a big question mark. Oh, 1 second. $26,000 is where I like to see this thing get to, like very quickly. We better really bounce back into $26,000 right now, and we better hurry. If this market
Order
truly
filled.
wants to continue getting a bounce and trending to the upside, we better bounce, get up to $26,000 right now. Wow, look at the gold, guys, man. I'm looking at the gold on the right hand side, but 1 second, guys. Oh dear.
Order canceled. Order canceled. Order canceled.
Wow, looks vulnerable. The NQ 987. I canceled my limit orders I had in that 980. All right, guys, I'm gonna quickly go ahead and try to see if we can find a winner and find a home for our account and giveaway. All right, guys, good luck once again. $45. Let's find the winner. 45, guys. We have a winner here, I think. Oh, dude, 45 is the winner. Dude, 45. Is that right? Dude, 45 is the winner here. 45, guys. Holy mochino. Dude, 45. Bienvenidos. What is up, man? Your mic on the YouTube? What is that? Is that good or bad? What are you trying to say? Dude, 45 is the winner. Uh-oh. Dude, 45 is the winner. Hello? You knock. You are the winner. Oh, there you go. Yes, Dude 45 is the winner here today. Holy. The champion, the winner goes to Dude 45. Congrats. I'm going to talk to you right after the stream is over, Dude 45. Wait for Stock Tiger. Tiger. Tiger uppercut. Stock Tiger, as known as Tiger Woods. Uh-oh. On the tee. 5 times Masters champion. 4-time US Open champion. Please welcome Stock Tiger. All right, guys. What is this market trying to do, man? We actually pulled back in GC. GC back down to 4,000, guys. And the NQ, NQ, man, looks wonky. It looks like it's trying to hold, but I don't know, man. I don't like the way we actually got rejection of that 990. So yeah, this could be a classic Asia market pullback here as well. I maybe, but you know what? I'm just not gonna panic just yet. But not looking that great so far. We really have to get a bounce back into $26,000 right now, man. If no, then I think we're in trouble. Hooky bookie. All right, let's see if we get flushed down or we bounce back up again. I'm with 8 micro contracts, so definitely in a little trouble. DJ in the house. Captain Price flush. Perfect play. Mike, Captain Price, Monica, Fiber Splice Gold. Oh, there we go, guys. We are getting a rejection there. We are actually getting a little pullback. Let's see if we hold this now. 983, guys. If we don't hold this, then I think we flush it down. Again, it's not the end of the world. It's 180 bucks. I mean, 980 bucks that I'm losing right now. Probably just take it back tomorrow morning. 2 seconds trade. 2 seconds trade. Right at the open. 15 minutes orb. Maybe could do it. No, I'm in 3 micros. Sorry, 8 micros. No, I'm not in a mini. Somebody asked me. Patrick's 600 mini contracts earlier today. I think. I don't know if I answered that question. It depends on how many accounts he's using, though, right? Nobody would know how many accounts he's using to copy trade. So it really depends on how many. I'm assuming if it's 400, 600 contracts, let's say 600 contracts. Wow. How many contracts would that be? You've got to be, that's insane. Like you got to be, because if it's a 300K account, how many contracts do they allow you? 30 mini contracts, I think, on each, right? That's like 20 accounts. That's right. If it's a 300K account, and if you are, I think 300K accounts allow you 30 mini contracts, if I'm not wrong, right? Let's take a look at Apex. Yeah, they allow you 35, guys. Man, they allow you 35. They allow you 35 mini contracts on 300K account, right? So 35 mini contracts. So 600 contracts divided by 35. That's like 17 accounts. Yeah. Yeah, that's 17 accounts, which is doable.
Order
I mean,
submitted.
good for Patrick if it's if he banked. I don't know the result. I think somebody mentioned on our Discord saying that he actually banked quite a lot of money on that trade. that's super aggressive. I mean, I wouldn't know if I'm able to do that even if I have the ability to do that, right? That's crazy. You have $30,000 personal account trade rate and they only allow you 40 micro. Yeah, man. 30,000 personal account will only allow you about 4 mini. That's right. That sounds about right. Pretty new to trading. Thanks for answering, Jeff. Hey, man, Jeffrey. No problem, man. Anytime, brother. Anytime. I'm here for you. Or maybe somebody else was answering. He said he was in evals. Oh, really? Okay, well, that's fine. Evals are funded account, but to be 600 contracts, that's pretty insane. But guys, man, we actually ended up getting a dump here in gold. Not a good way to. Gold is looking weak, right? I guess the gold bounce was setting opportunity across the board. Like today, towards the end of the day, today I think it was trying to get a little bit of a squeeze back up again, but then that was literally a shorting opportunity. Interesting. You had twice, 2 attempts to maybe try to short gold today. One right at the 20, one right at 19 as well. So, well, would have been a good trade, I guess, in gold. Again, the gold is showing a lot of sign of weakness, right? A lot of sign of weakness. But it's tough to trade gold because it's gonna have big swings even on a bearish market, right? It could literally move like 100 points, and that 100 points, if you're 1 minute contract and you're on the wrong side, you're gonna be absolutely annihilated, right? So we have a winner here, guys, on a giveaway. We've got Dude 45, the winner, the champion. Congrats once again for being the winner. And we also have over 300 viewers right now, concurrent viewers, guys. Thank you so much, everybody, for being here. Every day, guys, every day. We go live 6 p.m. Eastern time, a bit earlier on most cases. And I also go live during New York, too. I'm also a New York trader. New York, at least twice, 3 times a week. You guys can watch me if you guys want to see me every day. Not every day. Every time I go live during New York, just make sure you hit that notification bell as well, guys. If you guys want to get notified every time Stock Tiger goes live in the morning. Yeah, I mean, as much as I really want to, you know, get into some really good trades during Asian market, this Asian market is really not presenting anything, right? It's really hard. It's really hard to get into a lot of good trades, including a good P&L session as well. Like if you just take a look at my P&L to this morning, right? This is my P&L this morning, and these are all green accounts. Accounts that I made all green. These are the ones. Even though I was in out pretty regular with 1 minute contract, I ended up making this much money, right, this morning. So I've been working hard today as well during the Asian market right now, but I could not really take anything right now. Look, I'm pretty much. Oh, look at that dance! Holy, D45, man. Yeah, you see what I mean? Like I'm up 150 bucks on one account, but I'm down 145 on the other. I don't know what this Asian market is trying to do, to be honest. It's been so frustrating. But again, I think if you guys are trading Asian market, I think it's really wise to go slow. Like I wouldn't want to go full tilt on Asian market because it's really hard to trade lately, because there's just no volume, there's no volatility stepping in. It's just a very tight range, and if you try to go full port and try to go very aggressive on your contract size, I think that's when you're gonna get burned, right, in Asian markets. So that's why you guys noticed I've really tried to downsize my contract size during Asia in particular, because it's just been too slow for me to trade and try to bank. Anyways, what up, man? Junior in the house, man. Ahmed DJ. He was short for 3 hours, really? Oh, they were not. These were not evals. They were funded accounts. Those are funded accounts. Yeah. You know what? Oh, really? Funded accounts. Wow, man, that's crazy, man. TJP in the house, man. What is up, man? Captain Price. 90 O's, man. What is going on, man? Long time no see, man. What the heck were ya? The market pretty slow, not doing anything so far, right? almost kind of feel like this is gonna break to the downside. I don't know about gold. The gold looks like it's trying to come out with a double bottom here, but NQ better be careful, guys. If we can't hold this, then I think we pull back all the way down to 9. I don't know what's the next level really. I would say 960 will be the next level of support, and that's crazy. 960. The next level of support in NQ. We end up not being able to hold the 985, and that's going to be like 20 points. We're not really far off, 25 points away from where we are now. If we can't hold this, then I think we have a little bit of a problem. It looks like we're not trying to hold, so it's bad. Bad. It's bad. It's horrible. 955 is the 23%. That's the Fibonacci you're talking about. Yeah. 40 accounts. I think it's just 17 accounts, man. Like 600 mini contracts. If you divide that into 35 contracts, you can actually load in. That's 17 accounts. Justin, right in the house. What up, man? What is going on, brother? Great to see you again. Where the heck were ya? Space 1111. Good evening, Tiger. Hey, man. Good evening, brother. Great to see you here today. Wow, what a slow price action so far. Nothing really there. We do have a winner here. Did 45 has got it. Crazy that you called my number earlier and I missed the giveaway. Really? Corey the Scalper, really? We didn't have a winner earlier. What is up, Tiger? You're enjoying the big piano? What big piano are you talking about? The highest he has traded was 40. Oh. What if Asia slow grind all the way back down? I think we could grind all the way back down as well. I wouldn't be surprised if we do that, to be honest. We are just barely holding, guys. I may have to exit this trade right here, guys. I may have to. It's a pretty weak looking chart.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
Yeah, it looks like we may try to retest the low. Yeah. And it doesn't look that great.
Order filled.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I went long gold. Let's see what happens now.
Order
I went long
submitted.
gold, guys. Uh-oh, Stock Tiger in trouble now. Uh-oh, I went long gold. I don't know, man. I'm
Order
gonna be looking
submitted.
for maybe 4 points bounce. Holy mochaccino, guys, I'm up. Whoa, guys, I'm up. Stock Tiger is up on gold. Can you guys believe that? Wow, look at this, guys.
Order
Order filled.
Guys, that was like 2 seconds trading. What the hell was that? I don't know, man. I tried to move my TP, and it got triggered. Damn it, guys. Well, I should be just glad that that was the profit, guys. Wow, gold moving hard.
Order
We are
canceled.
getting a bounce, beautiful bounce off that gold, guys. Man, am I supposed to go long here again in gold? I'm so tempted to go long. Look at this. NQ, well, NQ is kind of like not doing anything
Order
right now.
canceled.
Kind of like, whoa, doesn't have the juice to get a bounce or pull back even. Kind of chopping. I'm gonna exit my NQ trade here. Actually, you know what? This NQ. I don't know. 1 second, guys. Let's take a look at the NQ. NQ is, yeah, I'm gonna leave my NQ contract as is right here, and then let's take a look at the gold here again. Wow, the gold was a good bounce. Yeah, man, I went quickly on that gold. It did not really take me a lot of time to actually bank on that trade. Holy man, I made what, 200 and something dollars. Because I was down on my NQ trade, but thanks to gold. Oh my god, this gold is keep moving, guys. All right, guys, I'm gonna try and long gold
Order
here
submitted.
once again. All right, watch me. Watch, guys. This is gonna be a lot of fun. Okay, watch me get cooked in gold now. Watch. Actually, you know what? This is the wrong account to be messing up with. Let's
Order
try something
canceled.
else. 1 second, guys. I want to try this one. All right, watch me do this.
Order submitted.
All right, baby, let's go. No, you can't be doing that right here. Okay. Oh no. Oh my god. All right, I'm gonna
Order
have to use the
canceled.
MGC. MGC, guys, MGC. Let's do it with MGC, guys. Why is it 30 minutes chart? Let's just move back to like 5 minutes chart, maybe. Oh dear. 1 minute chart.
Order submitted.
Wow, what a bounce in this gold, guys.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Yeah, I know gold left the station. Absolutely, man. Now I'm gonna try and long gold. Okay, I don't know, this NQ is kind of like chopping in that range. So while the NQ try to do its thing, let's try to trade gold, but the gold is kind of moving. Wow, it's not even turning back, guys.
Order.
All right, guys,
Order
I need to
filled.
do one now.
Order.
Oh my god,
Order
everybody.
filled.
Canceled. Order submitted. Order submit. Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, guys, I'm long on gold. Now I'm playing a momentum trade, right? So the expectation is we have one more leg to the upside, another green bar on the gold, and that's exactly what I'm looking for right now. If not, if we end up getting a pullback, then I'm in trouble, right? I kind of feel like we have enough momentum to push this thing back up again, but we'll see. That's what I'm kind of thinking right now. Wow, RT, nice trade on gold, man. 25 micro, holy. All right, guys, there we go. Are we gonna get a pullback here? Oh my god, don't tell me. Do not tell me you're gonna get a pullback here in gold. Another leg to the upside. Let's go, man. Gold, come on, make my day. Let's sort of change this a little bit, bring it down. Let's look for another squeeze here, guys, man.
Order submitted.
Come on, gold. Do me a favor and just get a little bit of a bounce. Oh my gee. That's a nasty looking pullback here, guys. Good stuff, man. Stock Tiger. All right, there you go. We're getting a pullback in gold. Let's try
Order
to...
submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
I could be in trouble in this bad
Order.
boy.
Order filled.
No wonder. Stock Tiger. Stock Tiger gets lucky on one trade in gold, I guess. But at least we got one little trade in gold. But
Connection lost.
man, that's a pretty nasty pullback there on gold. I'm definitely not happy with this pullback. But let's see, guys. Maybe get
Order
another
filled.
bounce, another attempt here.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Oh my god, guys. I've got 10 micro now. I don't know if I add any more. I don't know if that's gonna make any difference, to be honest. There's really no point in doing that at this point. That's really not gonna change anything, in my opinion. We're getting a little bounce back into the NQ. But this gold, oh man, the gold is looking like it. Oh man, no idea. We're still above the EMA, so we're above the $4,000 right in gold. So 4,008. Looks like we're gonna get another leg here. I don't know. This could be this gold could be in trouble. I may have to exit this trade right now. All right, guys, I'm gonna exit this trade.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Oh my god, I'm down in gold again. Great stock, Tiger. What a way to trade gold. Something was too good about gold, I guess, today. Something was too good about gold, guys. I should have realized that. Too late now. Down. I just gave back like $200, $280 on that trade alone. I may try to step in here with the try to short this
Order
bad boy, guys.
submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Let's see. I'm shorting gold. Guess what this gold gonna do now? I'm gonna get a bounce. Of course, guys. We know it. We all know this, guys. Gold's gonna get a bounce. Watch. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Are you real? Are you getting back into like Angry Bird trading gold? Oh my god, guys, man, I am so freaking pissed. It's not even funny anymore. All right, guys, I'm gonna exit that gold trade.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Gold! I am back. All right, so yeah, it's hold on one second, guys. Why am I not in a trade? Oh, I'm on a different account. Oh, all right, I see. I'm here. This is the one. Okay, I'm down. Maybe I'll just exit this right here.
Order.
I'll exit that, and let's try to see if I can get it back on this other account, man. This account's pretty close to passing, so no reason to kind of like try to be super duper aggressive. But you know what? The thing that I don't like about this is the gold, man. The gold, look, it got to pull back here all the way down and got a nice, beautiful bounce, right? Like, it pissed me off that it had to kind of shake me out all the way down. Oh my god. The gold is incredible. Gold trying to get a bounce. Are we gonna retest the 19, or are we just gonna get a pullback here? I don't know, man. It almost kind of feel like, you know, we get a little more bounce. Some more ways to go, I think, in gold. I think we have to break out though, right? It's pretty obvious. We got a nice little pivot here. We got to get above, right? I kind of feel like we try to retest 25 before we maybe end up getting another leg to the downside. That's a nice, beautiful bounce though, right? That's the 386. That's a nice little double bottom there, and try to get a bounce back up again. I don't know. Incredible, guys. Don't forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream while this market, obviously the gold is trying to get a bounce. Squeezy. Wow, that's a pretty aggressive bounce. Incredible. I need some gold gurus to kind of teach me how to trade gold. Where the heck all the gurus go here? Do 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 do. All right, guys, see that little pullback that we're getting here in gold? I kind of feel like, you know, we still have some bounce that we could get in gold. In gold, GC round number bounced nice. Oh, I see the round number. Yeah, that's like pretty big psychological levels, I guess, right? That's what it is. Gold is technical, bro. Support and resistance. You're 5 on 5 on gold today. Nice. What's up is doing great on gold. Overall looks pretty bullish though, right? Gold, no, at least into tonight. I don't know, I'm only down about $400. We can probably get it back tomorrow. I still have lots of drawdown, I guess, right? Oh shit, I only have $1,700. Not a lot, but I think tomorrow, one good trade, we can probably pull it back, right? So I think we should be okay. We should be. Did I trade my funded accounts and my funding ticks this morning? Let me just quickly take a look, guys. Let me quickly take a look. I hope I did. Oh yeah, I traded for $159. That's good. That's good. Okay, so we count it as a day. That's good. All right. I don't know. I think the goal, we may try to get a bounce, guys, and NQ could be a slow grind to the downside today, at least into the rest of the Asian market, I guess, right? There's just no buying pressure stepping in on the overall NQ. Not bearish overall, but maybe a slow grind pullback, at least back into the 950s, 960s, maybe doable today, right? I think doable. And then we'll see how it goes tomorrow morning, right? But down on NQ and the gold trying to get a bounce. Pretty interesting price action so far. Gold has been great to you. Nice, man. Cyclo, great stuff, man. Secured free payout trading gold on FD accounts. Really? Wow. Oh, you trade FD? Funding ticks? Nice, man. Tomorrow's gonna be a very important day for me as well, for sure. For sure. I wonder tomorrow I'm gonna have to load in some Lucid Trader accounts and Tradify as well, because I'm trying to rebuild the two firms. Yeah, this man, I hate this goal sometimes. Well, all the time, pretty much. Corey the scalper, man, got your BLNX accounts back, but your funding takes $150 from the bye. Oh, really? Why, man? Come on, Corey. You got a lot of payouts from yeah, my top step is back. Oh my god. I've got to get back in. 1 second, guys. Yeah, so I've got one Express account now set up, and I've got 2 accounts kind of still in the works. I'll probably take it a little bit slow. Try to get this thing through in the next few days. There's no point in trying to pass this right now because I'm not going to activate these. I only activated one thanks to who was it again? I think it's Alfred who kind of told me it was to activate one stock tiger. I was like, oh, maybe that kind of makes sense. Activate one, and I'll activate if I pass this too. I'll activate it I guess a little bit later, so I can kind of get something going here, I guess. Yeah, I can't wait for tomorrow, guys. Apex funded accounts, request a payout tomorrow. I hope this gets approved though, right? I hope my Apex accounts get approved. My request payout tomorrow, I hope they get approved, guys. Actually, you know what? No, it's gonna be tomorrow. I'm gonna have 2 accounts to request tomorrow, and then another 2 on Wednesday. So it's so hard. Yeah, it's been the last 10 days has been definitely a big struggle for Stock Tiger, right? I don't know if maybe you guys were, but for me it was really tough. And somehow I really scrambled to stay alive, really. Luckily, so far it's been okay. Oh, by the way, guys, 10 more minutes. We're gonna have another request to payout, guys, on Take Profit Trader daily payout. Holy smokers, man. Let's see once again. Let's see if the if their system is updated. Maybe not. I don't know. All right, so far it's not updated. I guess it's gonna get updated in about 10 more minutes. We will request the payout, and then once we request the payout, let's try to do another giveaway, guys. Again, I'm doing giveaways not just because you know, there's a purpose, right? Just, you know, gotta pay out, you know, a little bit of a celebration, if you will. Why not, right? It doesn't cost anything for you guys. Why not? I'll do a small little giveaway. It will be a cash giveaway here. Once I request the payout on this. So another 10 more minutes, we'll request the payout and we'll go ahead and do our another giveaway. And that's gonna be a cash giveaway. A small little cash giveaway, but it's really you know, that's gonna pay you for an Apex 80% off, I guess. $33. Stay tuned another 10 minutes, guys. Holy mochaccino. We'll wait. The NQ looking pretty bearish. Gold trying to get a bounce. Give me 2 minutes, guys. I'll be right back.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order sub. Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order submitted. Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order. Order.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Oh shit, my god.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Yeah, I'm definitely on a revenge mode right now for sure. Oh man, are you kidding me? Oh my god. Oh shit, by the way, I forgot to trade my Onyx, my Fund the Futures Network, Onyx. Oh well. At least let me just make sure I put this on my chart to kind of remember myself to trade these accounts, or else I would never remember to do that, right? So frustrating sometimes. So I'll try to trade this account tomorrow. I haven't even touched this account just yet, so we'll see. Oh, looks like we're getting a little pullback here in the maybe try to pull back down into the 950. I think this is probably where it wants to really get down to. We have a nice little support here as well, and nice little trend line support, channel support, right? And then and we have a, let's say we get a pivot, right? So maybe this could be it. You know, we try to pull back down the NQ, pull back down into this 950s, and try to find a break and call back up again, right? And then we may try to retest the high and then wait for FOMC. How about that idea, guys? Do you guys like that? Anyways, getting back to what again? Oh man, down 600. I'm not really sure what to do now. I don't know. The gold looks like it wants to pump, of course. We retesting that 24. Or no. Oh my god, Flex Cat, man. What up? Flex Cat, you're funny. We are getting a pullback here. It's not a crazy pullback in NQ, but I mean, still some kind of a pullback, so. There we go, guys. We're getting this freaking pullback in gold.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order canceled.
Get the hell up there right now, baby! Let's
Order
go!
filled.
Woo! Yeah,
Order
gold.
submitted.
I told you.
Order filled.
Order filled.
We haven't given up on gold just yet. Stuff is
Order
working
submitted.
out. Oh, we are breaking out, guys, but we actually broke out of this very important level. So let's see if we can continue the uptrend. But let's just take a look and see where the level of resistance is. 35, guys, 35. And that's the next level of resistance, 35. Oh my god, we are getting a pullback now. Incredible. Incredible, stock tiger. 35 is the level, guys. 35 is the resistance. I'm gonna try and hold this, guys. I'm gonna try and hold this. This time I'm not gonna run away. Stock tiger is gonna be here. Should I add some more? Yeah, that's definitely a lot of pressure, man. 4 contracts.
Order
And then
Order
one more.
filled. Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submit. Order submit. Order submitted. Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Okay, here we go, guys. I've got
Order filled.
I got 4 now. 4 contracts. Like,
Order
looks like
canceled.
we may try to hit that 35. Not a bad comeback here, story. What do you guys think? Not a bad comeback. We just need just one more break to the upside now. That's gonna make my day, I guess.
Order submitted.
It's kind of working out. So this could just flip back down for all you know, guys. Right? But it looks like we got some more ways to go. Let me try to believe in this trade. 430, 4030, sorry. Take profit trader, still the dashboard not updated. All right, it's updated now, man. It's sharp. Guys, anybody trying to understand when their the P&L for Take Profit Trader actually ends up updating? It's right now. Right at 9 p.m. Eastern Time is when they update their P&L.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
I'm down to 2
Order
now.
filled.
Order submitted.
And I placed my hard stop, sorry, my limit order right in that 431 and 34. All right. Guess what, guys? I'm not down as much anymore. I'm only down about $300, which is fine. I'll take it. This could have been a lot worse, right? I'm withdrawing $613. All right, small little daily payouts, guys. I mean, it really counts, and I've done that right now. Wow, it was tough, but we got it, guys. We got it, guys. Request it now. This will be probably approved by tomorrow morning. We have Sculpture, $2,600. Holy, bro. Good stuff, man. Congrats once again. Awesome, awesome. Scoutster, man. Scoutster has been fighting to get this payout, man. Really good stuff. Congrats, brother, once again. And congrats to Stock Tiger for your small little payout
Order.
with daily
Order
payouts,
filled.
guys. Daily payout with Take Profit Trader. It's been going on for the last 4 days now. So let's see if we can actually get to 5th payout tomorrow morning, guys, on Take Profit Trader daily payouts. Let's see if that works out tomorrow morning. All right, we are getting a pullback here on NQ. The gold trying to get a bounce. exit my trade on gold as well now.
Order
Only down about
filled.
290. I think that's definitely doable to get it back tomorrow morning. I wouldn't be surprised. That should be fine there. Yeah, and then I'm gonna try and work on. We'll try to see if we can actually get some good trades tomorrow morning on my other Take Profit Trader Pro accounts. Whew, it's gonna be a tough day. I better be careful with my Apex accounts though. Tomorrow is the payout day, right? So I mean payout request day. So I gotta be careful with my Apex accounts. We'll see how it goes in that one. Well, today I'm kind of down on one account, but Asia market. But it's getting harder and harder to be all green during Asia because it's really hard to trade. There's just no pattern, right? Asia market, and it does what it wants to do, right? That's the bigger problem. But the gold is trying to get a bounce, guys. Gold is looking pretty good right now. So we'll see, man. I think this gold is trying to retest the 50, right? We're trying to retest the 50, or maybe try to reclaim the 50. I don't know what it wants to do, but I think we got a nice little breakout on gold. Maybe we should have got that a little bit sooner. Well, we broke out of that 40.25. Now we're trying to get a nice, beautiful breakout here, guys. That's about 13 points up now. The next level of resistance is going to be in that 45 after we break out of the 35, right? So not looking bad on gold. Interesting. Yeah, it's going to be tough to go very aggressively long with gold, to say the least. But anyways, guys, we'll this is it from my end today. Thank you guys for being here, all of you. We'll see you guys back tomorrow morning. I'll be live tomorrow. I'll be live tomorrow at 11. I would say somewhere around 11 o'clock in the morning Eastern time. Would love to see you guys back again tomorrow morning. I'll be trading my funded accounts, so we'll see how that goes. Got a lot of accounts to trade. We'll see if we can bank every day on across all the accounts. Thank you guys for being here today. Thank you. God bless everybody. Have a great rest of the day. We'll see you guys back tomorrow morning. Everybody have a great night. Thank you so much once again. Take care and peace.